part of it is innovation. Something magical has happened a little bit with the internet in that, suddenly you can have kind of a rural business and be connected to this larger market where you can, actively participate in. So I think the first part is kind of innovation. And not to throw too much cold water on it, but one of the biggest challenges in rural areas to innovation is culture. It's mentality and ideology. And we're starting to see that turn a little bit. Some of the resources I referenced with farmers, I think there's been enough bad years now where we're starting to consider maybe different ways of doing agriculture. And other places, maybe these rural communities are starting to pivot away from mining precious metals and more into recreation-based economies. Now that has its own growing pains, right? It usually produces wages that are a little bit less than if you were a miner. But the goal would be to kind of accommodate a different type of lifestyle than mining, right? This idea that maybe if we go from mining to recreation, maybe our health gets a little better. We have more places to exercise and be active in the environment. And that only increases and enhances not only the planetary health of that area, but also the people living there. So I think it's innovation, it's trial and error, and it's going to have to go a little bit against kind of attitudes and culture a little bit, but eventually it'll have to kind of become part of that culture, which is really the long-term challenge.